Convert your floor plan to virtual tour with AI service. Today, we are going to learn how to convert your floor plan to amazing 3D images and virtual tours so your customers can tour their future property. Creating a virtual tour with AI service can be a great solution for those who want to save time and money on just posting ads. This technology allows you to generate realistic and appealing images and tours in a matter of up to 7 days. Not only is it a cost-effective solution, but it also offers endless possibilities for creativity.
What do you have to do? Well, just upload your floor plan and let the artificial intelligence-driven engine do its magic. We would let the engine transform the sketch into images, as well as create a 360-view realistic tour of the property.
We offer 3 different plans to suit your needs. Our basic plan provides results within 48 hours. It is branded with our watermark. Just test drive the service. The standard plan offers additional features with branded results within 7 business days, and our premium plan is slightly cheaper for many floor plan usage. Try us today.